Hey guys, it's Dice here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a Glam Blue from Blue's Clues makeup tutorial. I'm super excited because, I don't know, blue is just so nostalgic to me because I used to watch Blue's Clues so much growing up. So I'm just really excited to be doing this makeup look. I think it's going to be super cute, super nostalgic, and just super like glam. So if you guys want to see my glam blue makeup look, then just keep on watching. I'm so excited for today's video. Like I said at the top, like I said in the intro, I'm so excited because blue is just so nostalgic and like cute to me. So I was like, let's do a glam blue makeup tutorial. I also seen some people do it on like Pinterest, and I was like, that is so cute. So I was like, let's just do it. I already did my eyebrows off camera. I just did them blue. I just took the blue from the Juvia's Place Allure 2 palette, the matte blue, and did my eyebrows with it. So now we're gonna do eyeshadow. I don't know what kind of eyeshadow I want to do. I feel like when I do Halloween videos, I always tend to do like a cut crease because that's the most like glam type look. But let's just get started. So first I'm gonna take my CC Beauty 12 color flash palette, and I'm gonna take the light blue, and I'm gonna just like basically prime my lids with it essentially. I'm gonna set that with some loose powder just so when I do the eyeshadow, the cream color doesn't like move around. Now for eyeshadow, I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution Instinct palette, and I'm gonna take the first blue on this Morphe M441 brush and just blend that into the crease. Then I'm going to take the second blue on that same brush and just put it lower into the crease. I'm basically just going to do the same thing with the third blue in that palette, blend it out on the outer corner and then into the crease. Then I'm going to take a clean M441 brush, and I'm going to take the darkest blue from the palette and basically just put that on the outer corner. Now I'm going to take the Allure 2 palette, and I'm going to take the first shade in the second row, which is like a dark shimmer shade. I'm just going to put that on the outer corner of the eye. The NYX Modern Dreamer palette, and I'm just going to take this shimmer blue shade and put that on my lid. Now I'm just going to take the white from that palette and put some into the inner corner. I'm going to do a black wing liner. Cute. Okay, now I'm gonna do my other eye off camera, and then I'll come back with you guys to do the face and all that good stuff. So I did my other eye off camera, so now we're just gonna go into face. So we're gonna take the CC Beauty palette again, and basically that color that we use to like do our eyes, we're gonna put all over our face. Take a beauty sponge and just blend that out. Now that I'm blue, I'm gonna take the white from the CC Beauty palette on a big flat brush, and basically just put it everywhere where I would put like concealer. So I'm gonna let that sit under my eyes for a second. I'm gonna take the CC Beauty palette again. I'm gonna take the darkest blue, which is this one, and I'm basically just gonna like contour with this. I'm gonna set my face. I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone palette and just take the first blue in that palette and just set over everything. Now I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and I'm going to take the third blue from that palette and basically just put it where we contoured. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the CC Beauty palette again, and we're going to take the darkest blue shade and we're going to do circles on our face, so like spots. We're just going to take a pencil brush. Now we're going to take the darkest blue from that palette and just set the spots with that. Now we're gonna take a like angled fluffy brush and we're gonna take that dark blue and we're basically just gonna create like a little heart shape on our nose. I'm gonna take just like a small flat brush. I'm gonna take the darkest blue and pop that under my eye. Now I'm gonna go put on a lash and then I'll come back with you guys for the finished look. Okay guys, so I went off camera, put on a lash. I also made these little ears out of cardboard so I can be like, you know, so everything's all together. And this is the finished blue makeup look. I love it so much. I think it's so cute. I think it's so nostalgic, like I said in the beginning, and I feel like the ears really bring it all together. And yeah, I just really like the way that it turned out. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below. If you love Halloween or Halloween type makeup videos like this one, then please subscribe. Because I'll be doing Spooktorial, which is my spooky Halloween makeup tutorial series, as you can see, like this one, all October. So please subscribe and turn on my post notifications so you don't miss a video. And yeah, if you want to see my previous Spooktorial series or previous Spooktorial videos for this season, they will be linked down below for your convenience. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.